You know what it is. It's falling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. A modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone boys. 18 wheels on.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we are again. We got here early this morning to wash my truck. As you can see, clean, somewhat better than the way it was. It was really dirty. We've been going to the fields a lot, and it's been raining, and it sucks. But we got up early this morning to wash mine and my brother's truck, my brother George's truck. Just finished up. Since I finished already, I'm gonna go ahead and do a walk around. Sorry, it's kind of close to my face. Do a quick walk around of the truck, so you guys can see it more detailed, I guess you can say. I don't know, but yeah, so with that being said, let me go ahead and show you the truck. Now that it's clean, let me go ahead and show you the truck. Alright guys, here it is. My Freightliner Classic. Nice and clean. Nice and faded. Just how I like it. Anyways, this is my 2000 Freightliner Classic XL. Go ahead and show you guys the truck really quick. Walk around it. Pain in the ass to clean. It was really dirty, but it's clean, so yeah. All right, well, I don't know where to start. Let me see. I got a 20-inch blind mount box bumper. I believe it's Valley Chrome. I have replaced the front headlights with projector headlights. I also changed the bulb also to the Maxima. I think, yeah, the Maxima bulbs. Pretty bright. I like the way it looks. It lights up the night, lights up the road. I like it. So yeah, got some watermelon lights on each side of the bumper. Have a lot of people ask me about the visor. This is a 20-inch drop, 20-inch drop visor from got it from Miami Star. If anybody is looking for one, or anybody that was asking, go check it out. Have plenty there. Let me see, what else have I done? Lug nut covers, that's a must. Place those lights to the clear lens because some of them were going out anyways, and the chrome around the light was really rusted. Changed those out, made it look a lot cleaner. Switched out the my breather lights with they had the original 3 freightliner rectangle lights. Switched those out to watermelon lights. Have them on the bright wire. Pretty cool. I like them. Lights up. Mirror lights on the visor. Have the 3/4 inch lights. The side panels, you guys seen the video on that. Still have to paint it a different color because, yeah, I hate the fact that it's a big difference. But moving along, have some 8-inch stacks by Lincoln Chrome, flat tops. There's a video on that also. I believe it was like one of the first videos we've ever did. So yeah, I want to fix all this here. I gotta sand that down, clean it up, and paint it. I hate the way that looks, as well as the hood here. But I mean, like I said, the truck is kind of shitty, so I mean, whatever, right? But either way, got the tanks polished. They need to polish again because they're not that shiny. We also have to do the wheels like we did on my brother George's truck. We gotta do the wheels and the steps. That's what the truck needs. Back here, when we originally got the truck, it had the stock quarter fender was mounted like way, I believe, like over here, and then I had a step here, and then you can see the air tanks between the frame. Had them mounted down here with some brackets coming down that were holding it, so it was really cluttered. Hated the way that looked. So I took the step off, took the brackets that were holding the air tanks off. We made some brackets to go inside the frame, and we mounted the air tanks inside the frame, so now it's nice and clean. Got rid of the quarter fender, moved it back after I bought these aftermarket ones, which, by the way, these are 34-inch quarter fenders. And after we got all that situated, we went ahead and did body work, a little bit of body work to the frame. This frame wasn't that bad, and got it nice and straight, and painted it. But yeah, so I also want to get deck plate made all back here, and we get rid of all these wires. And we have a piece that covers this back piece right here, the back of the sleeper. We just haven't put it on yet. Let me see what else. We drilled holes into the sleeper. We have 8 4-inch round red LEDs on the back of the sleeper. Just ordered some new ones because some of the LEDs are starting to go out, so gotta wait for those to come in and get them installed. And yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty it for back here. I mean, we just painted the frame. The back, I mean, we haven't done much to the back. I want to get light bars, get the centerpiece that goes back here, you know, the deck plate that covers all this too, you know, a bunch of stuff. But little by little we'll get there. But yeah, guys, that's the Freightliner Classic. Go ahead and show you guys the interior in just a second. Alright guys, let me go ahead and show you the interior real quick. It's a little wet because I was just getting washed at the truck, so my shoes were wet. This is broken, hate that. I actually want to take all this off and make a fiberglass panel. Since we know how to fiberglass, we want to make a fiberglass panel. Don't know after we make it if I'm gonna paint it or wrap it in vinyl or something. Still undecided. And then from here down, all this carpet area, I'm gonna fiberglass it with speakers. I was thinking maybe 3/8 and like 2 tweeters. Not too sure. Also, but I have to first see the clearance I have before it hits all this. So like I said, I'll see. You know, it's just kind of an idea. And if not, maybe just like 2/8 and a tweeter here. That way this is empty. That way I don't hit the door. Or maybe I'll make a little pocket here. That way I still can put stuff in there, because I carry a bunch of random stuff here, and you know, electrical tape, safety glasses, because safety first, a tire thing, and yeah, it's just a bunch of stuff, you know. But like I said, I'll see what's up. That's my brother George. So yeah, so that's the plan for the door. But like I said, with the back, we'll get there little by little. The dash, which we'll get there in a second. The carpet, I want to get it out. I actually have all the material to do the floor already. It's at the house. Just whenever we get a chance. We've been working a lot, so we haven't really had a chance to do anything to the trucks. But I'm gonna be ripping out the carpet and putting wood floors. Like I said, I have it all at the house already. Just as soon as we get a chance, I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out and yeah, get new floors. I also want to buy my chrome pedals. That's gonna come very soon. But yeah, let me go ahead and get on up. All right, let me drop this real quick. Go ahead and show you the dash. Slide on over here. Still missing some chrome. But yeah guys, this dash is actually the first dash that we wrapped. The reason we used to paint them, we actually painted my brother's classic, the yellow one. We actually painted that one. And with this one had the rosewood dash, and I didn't want to mess it up, so instead of painting it, I just wrapped it. Love the way it came out, so we started drawing the trucks that way. And the chrome, well, I love chrome, so who doesn't? My steering wheel, let me zoom out a little bit. 12-inch extension on the shifter. It's the motor is a 500 Detroit with a 13-speed transmission. It's okay. It ain't no 6NZ, but it gets the job done. Let me put this back down again. You guys can, yeah. My CB, of course. The reason I have my mount of my CB down here, I know it's supposed to go up there, guys, I know, but I'm actually gonna do something with this spot here. I already have an idea for it, but again, I have to wait little by little, like I said. But I do have an idea for that. There's gonna be something there, and I like the way the CB looks down here, and the fact that I got all chrome looks better, so you can see it. Still has the plastic on it, but whatever. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the back. Might be a little mess. Let me jump back here. Get the view from back here real quick. Cool. As always, I gotta have a system. My system, I have 412s. I have 412 JLW3s. Since I had plenty of space here, I took out the cabinets over here. I put speaker boxes instead. Didn't need to make a custom one, so I just bought two ported boxes for my 12s. There's two there. Jump on this side, and two here. Gotta have bass in my truck. Love my music. So yeah, guys. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the system. Hopefully you guys can hear it. You know, I don't know. I know it's not gonna sound the same in person and whatever you're watching it on. So yeah. Let me go ahead and turn it on and show you guys. See what you guys think. Alright, guys. I have to play a random song so I don't get copyrighted. So haven't heard some before. Alright, guys, that was it. Just really quick. I don't know how it's gonna sound on whatever you're watching it on, but let me know what you guys think, how it sounds. Like I said, I know it's not gonna sound the same. So yeah, guys, that's the interior of the truck. My interior. Don't mind my Mexican blanket. 12s and more 12s. So yeah, that's how that is. Let me go ahead and get off. So yeah, guys, that was the truck. Got a lot of plans for the truck. I actually have a lot of stuff already at home for the truck. I just, like I said, there it is. As soon as we get a chance, like I said, we've been working a lot, so haven't had a chance to do much to the trucks. So yeah, so as soon as we get a chance, we'll go ahead and start working on the trucks again. Like I said, I already have a lot of things at the house for the truck, so as soon as we get a chance, we'll go ahead and knock that out for you guys. So yeah, that's that, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.